So this is May 2020, right? More than a year ago, I think in the start of May 2019, I started with intermittent fasting. I had put on a weight, and it was going on for 2 3 years. My weight was around 93, and I was not liking it. Okay, so I was doing different ways, looking for different ways to reduce my weight, and then I got to know about intermittent fasting. There's a channel called What I Have Learned. Now this guy has, through scientific research and everything, he explained the intermittent fasting, its benefit and advantage very well. So I started doing it. You know, I'm pretty much proud of intermittent fasting because this is one of the things that I have explored on my own. A lot of things have already been said, but through trial and error basis, I decided what is best for me, which diet or which kind of approach is best for me. So I have learned a lot through intermittent fasting. So I'm pretty much proud of it. So I'm going to share my experience about it. See, intermittent fasting is basically not eating for a long period of time. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now there are different ways, different kind of types of fasting. You can have 6 to 8 hours of fasting, or 12 hours of fasting, or 24 hours of fasting. It's up to you, depending upon your body strength and weaknesses, depending upon your objective. Okay, so when I started in May, I was just in a beginner phase. So what I did is, I used to eat in the morning breakfast, then directly at 7 o'clock in the evening I used to have some snacks, and then at night I used to have lunch. Have dinner. So for first 4 5 days I did this, and I thought कि ये easy है, मैं थोड़ा I can do better. तो मैंने 4 5 दिन के बाद I started doing 12 hours का. So 12 hours का fasting, जो तो मैं सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करता था, and directly at night I used to eat. Then I said कि मैं इससे भी better कर सकता, तो I started doing 24 hours का fasting. तो I only used to eat at night. That's it. 2 महीना मैंने यही किया. फिर जून और जुलाई में मैंने सिर्फ रात को खाया है, फिर दिन भर में कुछ नहीं खाता. आई यूज्ड टू ओनली ड्रिंक वाटर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू फील हंग्री और ऐसा सिग्नल मिलता था. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि सिर्फ रात को खाने से अच्छा है मैं दोपहर को खा लूँ, बिकॉज रात आप पूरा दिन आप स्टाव करते हो खुद को, पूरा दिन आप काम करते हो और रात को आके खाना खा के सो जाते हो, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो आई स्टार्टेड 24 आवर्स का फास्टिंग ओनली, बट आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट ईटिंग इन द आफ्टरनून. तो मैं दोपहर को खाता था. तो आई थिंक फॉर 8 मंथ्स, जैसे जुलाई से लेके आई थिंक जनवरी 2020 तक मैंने 24 आवर्स का फास्टिंग किया है. आई यूज्ड टू ओनली ईट इन दी लंच. मैं सिर्फ लंच करता था बस, 24 आवर्स में और कुछ नहीं खाता था. इसके वजह से ये हो गया कि मतलब ये तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, ये 8 महीना क्या हो गया. अभी भी आई कंटिन्यू दिस विद इन. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इट इन मे 2019, आई थिंक इन 20-25 डेज में ही मेरा वेट 93 से 78 हो गया. विद इन 15 डेज में 20 डेज में मेरा 15 kg हो गया. एंड आई अचीव व्हाट आई वांटेड थ्रू इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. बट थ्रू दैट जर्नी आई रियलाइज्ड कि सी, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इज नॉट जस्ट अ मीन्स टू रिड्यूस वेट, इट इज जस्ट वन ऑफ इट्स टाइनी एडवांटेजेस. इफ यू स्टार्ट रीड इट्स अ डिस्कवरी, लाइक दैट इज से कि जर्नी इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन अ डेस्टिनेशन. सो ये जो जर्नी था उसमें आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इज एक्चुअली, it's actually a way of life. It's actually a practice through you actually live. This is an ideal way of life. उसके पहले जैसा मैं खाता था, जैसा हम लोग सब खाते हैं, जैसे हम लोग रैड जैसे हर 2-2 घंटे में खाते रहते हैं. आई नो यू मे फील बैड. सी, आई वॉज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ इट. पीपल हु नो मी, माई फ्रेंड्स, दे नो कि मैं कैसा भुक्कड़ जैसे खाता था. एंड आई स्टिल ईट. मेरा खाने का स्टेमिना बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट यू डू नॉट हैव टू ईट एवरी 2 hours. You may have a good stamina, like I have a good stamina of eating. जब मैं खाता हूँ तो बहुत खाता हूँ, but you do not have to eat every 2 hours. Through intermittent fasting I started realizing that कि आपके बॉडी में ऑलरेडी इतना फैट स्टोर होता है कि you can go for so long without actually eating, and that's actually the point of body. See, just if you understand the evolution, जैसे हम लोग पहले जंगल में रहते थे लाखों साल पहले, वो टाइम पे ऐसा था कि यार we used to live in a scarce food environment. हमको गारंटी नहीं रहता था कि हम लोग जब हंटिंग करने जा रहे हैं तो हम लोग को कुछ खाने मिलेगा. तो आज हमको अगर समझ लो कुछ रैबिट मिल गया खाने के लिए, हम लोगों ने खा लिया एज अ ट्राइब, बट देयर इज नो गारंटी कि कल हमको कुछ खाने मिलेगा. तो व्हाट बॉडी स्टार्टेड डूइंग इज इट स्टार्टेड storing fat into our body, so that in next day if we do not get anything to eat, it can use that fat to burn and produce energy so that we can be alive. But वो सर्वाइवल के टाइम पे था. तो that's how we have born, that's how we have evolved, and now we have become a dominating species. but our body is still in that phase, it still thinks in that survival phase, but we do not हमारे माइंड के हिसाब से अभी हमको उतना ज़रूरत नहीं है हम लोग, बट उसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि हम लोग हर 2-2 घंटे में खाएं। प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है अभी, सी इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड द मैकेनिक्स ऑफ बॉडी, बॉडी स्टोर कर रहा है फैट, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप हर 2-2 घंटे में खाओ। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन हाउ डाइजेशन हैपन्स। आप कुछ खाते हो, व्हेन यू ईट समथिंग, most of the food that we eat today has glucose, 95% of the food that we eat, कुछ भी आप खा लो उसमें ग्लूकोज है ही। इवन when some food company says in their packet or label कि it is sugar free, it still has sugar, उसमें वो नाम चेंज करके बोल देंगे कि लैक्टोज माल्टोज है, it is also that's also a source of sugar only। ठीक है, तो आप जब भी कुछ खाते हो तो इंसुलिन रिलीज होता है, वो इंसुलिन इस ग्लूकोज को शुगर एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है। ठीक है, एंड रेस्ट वॉट एवर इज रिमेनिंग इट स्टोर्स एज फैट इन योर मसल, इन योर लिवर। ठीक है, तो ये फैट में स्टोर हो जाता है। तो आप दिन में जितनी जितने भी बार खाओगे उतना एनर्जी क्रिएट होगा, बट उतने फैट भी आपके बॉडी में स्टोर होते जाता है। अब ये फैट का हो क्या रहा है, बॉडी इज स्टोरिंग दिस फैट सो दैट यू कैन यूज इट when there is a scarcity of food, बट आप वो स्कारसिटी क्रिएट होने नहीं दे रहे हो। हर 2 घंटे में आपको भूख लगता है, आपको हम लोग कुछ खा लेते हैं। प्रॉब्लम दिस क्रिएट्स इज, आपको भूख लगता है हर 2 घंटे में, आप कुछ खा लेते हो, वो फैट आपके बॉडी में स्टोर होते जा रहा है। इसकी वजह से यू बिकम ओबीज, यू बिकम फैट। यू आर नॉट गिविंग अ चांस फॉर योर बॉडी टू बर्न दैट फैट। हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू गिव दैट चांस टू योर बॉडी? डोंट ईट। सी, योर बॉडी इज नथिंग बट अ रिएक्शन व्हाट यू डू। इफ अगर आप हर 2 घंटे में खाना खाओगे तो आपको हर 2 घंटे में बॉडी इज गोइंग टू गिव यू सिग्नल दैट इट इज हंग्री। अगर आप 8 घंटा खाओगे नहीं, आपको बॉडी आपको 8 घंटे कोई सिग्नल देगा नहीं। इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू हैव टू कंडीशन योर बॉडी। दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज थ्रू इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग। सो दैट्स वाई आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट। जैसे आप 8 घंटा करो, 12 घंटा करो, जैसे मैंने बोला कि दिस इज अ मैकेनिज्म हाउ बॉडी यूजेस ग्लूकोज टू क्रिएट एनर्जी, बिकॉज ग्लूकोज एंड शुगर इज द फास्टेस्ट वे ऑफ क्रिएटिंग एनर्जी फॉर बॉडी। अगर आप फैट बेस्ड फूड या फाइबर बेस्ड फूड खाते हो तो उससे बॉडी को एनर्जी फटाफट मिलना इतना उसके लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है। ठीक है, बट कार्बोहाइड्रेट जब खाते हो ना तो उससे एनर्जी जल्दी बनता है, बिकॉज इट इज मेड ऑफ ग्लूकोज। दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट टू ईट फाइबर बेस्ड और फैट और प्रोटीन बेस्ड फूड, जिससे क्या है आपको जल्दी भूख नहीं लगेगा। ठीक है, सो लेट मी टेल यू कि अभी जब आप बहुत टाइम खाते नहीं हो तो क्या होता है। आई टोल्ड यू कि हर 2 घंटे में आप खाना खाते हो तो हर 2 घंटे में एनर्जी क्रिएट होता है, और 2 घंटे में फैट स्टोर हो रहा है, बट वो यूज़ नहीं हो रहा है। बट वेन यू डू नॉट ईट फॉर 12 आवर्स, लेट्स से मैंने सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, अभी मैं रात को सीधा 9 बजे आई एम गोइंग टू हैव डिनर, सो फॉर 12 आवर्स आई एम नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग। सो बॉडी इट रिक्वायर्स एनर्जी फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम, बट इट डजंट नीड यू टू ईट समथिंग फॉर दैट। इट डजंट नीड एक्सटर्नल फूड सोर्स टू क्रिएट एनर्जी, टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी। जब मैं 12 घंटा कुछ खा नहीं रहा हूँ तो बॉडी इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ सिग्नल ऑफ हंगर। उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको खाना है, जस्ट गिविंग यू अ सिग्नल, आप कुछ करो मत। Once body realizes it that you're not going to eat anything, it's going to use your internal fat to burn that fat and create energy. This is what is called ketosis, or your body is in ketosis. यहाँ पे कीटोन रिलीज हो गया, कीटोन बॉडीज रिलीज होते हैं, आपको ऐसे टाइम पे एनर्जी फैट से मिल जाएगा। सो जब आप 12 घंटा कुछ खाते नहीं, जस्ट इमेजिन आप 2 घंटे में कुछ खा रहे थे, अभी ना फॉर 12 आवर्स यू आर नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग। सो जस्ट इमेजिन द अमाउंट ऑफ फैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बर्न, योर बॉडी इज गोइंग टू बर्न फॉर एनर्जी। इफ यू कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर इवन फॉर अ वीक, आपका बॉडी का वेट आराम से कम हो जाएगा। दिस इज द बेसिक मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फास्टिंग। व्हेन यू डोंट ईट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, आपके बॉडी का जो स्टोर्ड फैट्स है दैट गेट्स डिप्लीटेड, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आपका सब फैट बर्न हो जाता है। इट डजंट, बॉडी डजंट डू लाइक, बॉडी इज नॉट स्टूपिड। आई टोल्ड यू इट हैज सो मेनी years ऑफ एवोल्यूशन, यू नो, डीप रूटेड इन आवर बॉडी, इन अ डीएनए, तो इट अंडरस्टैंड्स कि उसको कितना फैट यूज करना है, कितना नहीं। 12 घंटे यू एनीवेज गोइंग टू ईट समथिंग, राइट? तो दिस इज द बेसिक फिलोसॉफी और बेसिक मैकेनिज्म ऑफ इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग। इसकी वजह से आपका बॉडी, सी व्हेन बॉडी यूजेस इट्स ओन फैट फॉर एनर्जी ना, उसमें साइड इफेक्ट्स भी कम होते हैं, उसमें ब्लड शुगर लेवल भी आपका हमेशा मेंटेन रहता है, आपको डायबिटीज़ या हार्ट डिसीज के कोई इश्यूज नहीं होते। सो there are also a lot of people, there is evidence that intermittent fasting actually reverse so many people's diabetes, but I won't go too much into detail because I do not have any hardcore evidence right now with me, but you do realize how intermittent fasting actually helps you. So this is what happened. This is what I've started realizing. So I started it just because I wanted to reduce my weight, but it is actually much more than that. I started understanding that you do not have to keep eating so much, you know. And when you do not eat for so long time, you start understanding how much control you can have on your body. And I'm telling you, when you realize this is one of the most beautiful things you can ever explain. See, understanding about the external world is fine, but when you understand so much about your own body, its strength and weakness, and how you can control it through your mind, and you can control on food, that is a different kind of experience. I don't even think I can explain you through verbal presentation. When you experience that thing by your own, you realize how strong you can be, you know. Now intermittent fasting, this is, there are different approaches. Some people follow what to eat, I follow when to eat. What to eat is like, some people focus on calories, how much calorie they want to eat. Some people focus on what kind of food they want to eat. Like I said, carbohydrate, always try to avoid carbohydrate, high carbohydrate types of food. Try to focus on fiber, fat and protein based food. Okay. Now what I do is, see, like I said, I cannot compromise on food. See, I can compromise on how much time I want to control. But if when I'm eating, I eat everything. I do not differentiate whether I have to eat this or that, because I love food too much. I'm a foodie. So my approach to intermittent fasting is when to eat. I only eat twice. That is one meal a day. That one heavy meal I do during lunch, 1 to 2. I eat everything. Then directly at between 7 to 8, I have either tea and snack or some light-hearted snack. That's it. So only one heavy meal, and at 7 to 8 something just to go by for the next 3-4 hours before I sleep. This is what I eat. So one heavy lunch and one light-hearted snack. So when I done eating between 7 to 8, when I say 7 to 8, that doesn't mean that between 7 to 8 I just keep eating. I'll only eat once between 7 to 8. So from 8 to next day at 1 o'clock. So it's around, I think, 16 hours. So for 16 hours I do not eat anything. So I give enough time for body to burn fats. You understand? That's how I maintain my weight pretty much exactly the same. So for the last 1 year, my weight has always been between 75 to 78. It has not gone down, it has not gone up, because I give enough time for body to burn the fat. At the same time, I also eat enough so that I do not get malnourished. I do not feel malnourished. I'm very healthy. Okay. Yeah, there are also different. See, like I said, when I started doing intermittent fasting, I always feel your life becomes very simple. You know, you do not have to worry about every time you get up in the morning. What do you have to eat before going to office? You have to have a breakfast or tea. I do not eat everything. When I get up in the morning, I directly have to eat lunch. So I'm pretty much not occupied about all these things. You know. So another thing is, you actually feel pretty much healthy and light-hearted. Now aging is also one of the things that I've actually noticed, that now I'm 33 but I feel like I'm 4-5 years younger. Now of course that's not objective, but see, you're not spending too much time on digestion. So I think that is the one thing, that through intermittent fasting you start feeling your skin or your body starts feeling a bit younger, more energetic, and you're only as healthy as you feel. And I feel that advantage of intermittent fasting towards me. Okay, now this is something I have observed. You know, see, the lies that have been told to us through different food companies to sell their products. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and that you have to eat every 2 hours. You do not have to eat every 2 hours. You do not. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. If you want to eat breakfast, you have to breakfast. But that's not necessary. That's not mandatory. I seriously tell you, we have been conditioned by our people around us, or by these manufacturing food companies, because they want to sell their products. It's not really true. If you really feel from your heart that you really want to enjoy breakfast, have breakfast. See, I enjoy lunch. I always want to have a heavy lunch. That's why I avoid breakfast. But if you're a kind of a person who enjoy breakfast, do it. But that's not mandatory. It's up to you. You understand your own body strength and weaknesses and your own body programming, through which you'll realize what is the best way for you through intermittent fasting. See, there are also different ways, different diets of intermittent fasting or anything. Some people follow a paleo diet or carnivore diet. There are different ways of diet. It's up to you. Uh, What I do is, see, I do not have any kind of fixed kind of diet. I want to eat everything. So it's up to you what you want to do. Okay, I'll give you two things, two wisdom related or wise things that I have learned through intermittent fasting. First is, there is no one ideal diet, universal diet for everyone. Okay, so if anyone says that they are lying. There is no one single diet for everyone. It's just not possible. Everybody is unique in their own way. So for everyone, the diet structure, the diet hours, everything will be different. See, you must have seen a lot of people जो कितना भी खाते हैं तो भी मोटे नहीं होते यार. कोई लोग ज़्यादा खाते नहीं तो भी मोटे हो जाते हैं. बिकॉज इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर इंडिविजुअल हेरिडिटरी, देन योर बॉडी मैकेनिज्म, आपका हार्मोनल स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट कैसा है, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू योर ओन बॉडीज स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस. और ट्रायल एंड एरर बेसिस पे आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि आपका डाइट प्लान कैसा है. जैसे मैंने किया था कि स्टार्टिंग में, जैसे लाइक आई सेड कि इनिशियली आई स्टार्टेड विद 9 आवर का डाइट, then I increased it to 12 hours, then 24 hours, and slowly I started realizing that 24 hours is a bit extreme kind of diet, जहाँ पे फास्टिंग से ज़्यादा मैं स्टार्वेशन कर रहा हूँ. जैसे मेरा आर्म्स बहुत कम हो गया था, तो I started realizing that I don't have to do 24 hours का diet, I do 16 hours or 17 hours का diet. So it's up to you, through trial and error basis you will understand कि आपके हिसाब से आपको क्या कौन सा diet for you is best. Another thing is, I also understood that my body's strength is, I cannot compromise on what food to eat or not. If you're telling me you should not eat sweet, you should not eat carbohydrate, I do not do that. I know that you should not eat carbohydrate too much. But when I'm having a lunch or when I'm having a snack, I eat whatever I want, because that's how I want to enjoy my journey of eating a food. See, I do not want to experience or practice intermittent fasting in a way that it only compromises my food eating experience. No, I want to enjoy also. Okay, so I do not compromise on eating, but I do control on the number of hours I'm going to go without eating. So that is my strength, that I can control the time. So I can control 16 hours or 24 hours. But when I'm eating, don't tell me to control on don't eat this or don't eat that. That I can't do that. But it's up to you. You decide by your own body's programming or strength and weaknesses what you can do through trial and error basis. Second advice I would first advise, like I said, no ideal one universal diet for everyone. Another one is, always have a variety of food. Okay, this is one of the best advice anyone can ever give you in terms of food. Have a variety of food. Your body loves, your brain loves different types of food. Okay, if you do not have any kind of orientation that you are only vegetarian or vegan, have everything. I eat meat, I eat prawns, I eat vegetarian, everything I eat, everything. This actually increases your digestion range of your body, so that tomorrow if you eat something out of the blue, your body will be capable of it. Your body wants to have different kinds of foods. It's like an experience. The more kind of different type of variety you eat, your body will always have a capability to digest it. And when you have capability, your immunity increases, your body's capability and your strength also increases. So that's a good thing. See, in August 2019, I had started with carnivore diet. I only used to eat meat, that's chicken or prawns and egg. I did it for 20 days. First of all, it's damn fucking expensive. Second thing is, I got bored after a while. I love chicken, but after a while, every day if I'm just going to eat chicken, it gets bored. That joy gets, eliminated. So I realized after a while that I have to eat everything. So I eat vegetarian, different leafy vegetables as well. I also eat paneer, I also eat egg, chicken, sometimes mutton, fish, whatever. So it's a very, very good journey. You're also eating at the same time. You're giving body enough time to digest that and use your internal fat to burn, which is actually a very good mechanism. Okay, and it's up to you however you want to do it, but whatever you're doing, make sure that you understand your body. Okay, give time. You start understanding your internal journey. That's going to be very helpful for you. See, like I said, diabetes and heart disease are mostly, these are not some kind of these are medical illness, but these are also lifestyle diseases. See, diabetes is basically what? Whenever it's like more and more insulin, it's like high blood sugar. High blood sugar comes from eating continuously. If you're not going to eat for 6 8 hours, you do not have to worry about diabetes. You won't have diabetes. You will be less susceptible to diabetes. So intermittent fasting, I think, is one of the amazing way of reducing or keeping this kind of diseases at bay. It's also a way of life. You will start understanding so much about your body strength and evolution. Okay, thank you.